Everyone, and welcome to my channel. Firstly, I just want to start off by saying I'm sorry I haven't been on for a while, but I've been really busy because I've started a new job, and so has my son, and he does all the videoing for me, so we've been really busy. But tonight I am treating you to making the Chinese garlic chicken. I've only ever made this once, but it is absolutely gorgeous, so I'm sorry I will be looking down at my phone sometimes. So basically I'm just going to talk you through what you need for the recipe, and what you need is half a yellow, green and red pepper, an onion, a couple of carrots, just one garlic clove or even granules, 5 spice, 2 pieces of chicken breast chopped up, a bit of fry light, soy sauce, and I have got some oyster sauce out, but it doesn't say oyster sauce on the actual ingredients. But last time I made it, I added a bit because I always think it makes it nice and thick, and it was lovely. So I'm just going to put a little bit in today as well. Right then guys, so I'm going to start off by chopping up my peppers, and then I'm going to start talking you through things once I've chopped those up, okay? Okay guys, so I've just cut up all the peppers and I've just put them in the saucepan. As you can see, I've done the peppers really chunky. That's what it says on the recipe, to cut your peppers really chunky for this one. Oh my god, it's a gorgeous dish. So I'm just going to put those on top of the oven now and cut up my onion to add to it. Okay? Again, I'm not going to cut this onion up small. I'm going to do it really chunky because it does say that on the recipe as well. So it's not like normal, it's a lot chunkier, where normally I would cut things really fine. Okay guys, so I've done the peppers and the onions really chunky, sprayed a little bit of fry light, put them in the saucepan on top of the oven, and now I'm going to add my pieces of chicken fillet that I've cut up into strips. Oh, I always get a tongue twist, don't I? Right, so while they're cooking now, I'm just going to leave them on gas mark 4, actually I'm going to turn it down to 3. Leave them to cook, and while they're cooking I'm going to chop up my carrots, again quite thick, not too thick but quite thick, and my garlic, and then I'm going to add them and I will talk you through the rest. Okay guys, so in my saucepan now, I now have the chopped carrots, peppers, onions, and the chicken. That's all cooking lovely. And what I need to do now, get a garlic, get my garlic crusher. Oops. Put my garlic in. It does say just half a garlic clove, but I used one last time and it tastes lovely, so I'm going to do the same. And it says now to add a pint of water, which I forgot at the start. I'm sure you've seen it on the side, but I didn't actually tell you. So just so you know, half a teaspoon of 5 spice. Sorry, oops, sugar. 1 moment, I'm going to have to go off a minute. Sorry about that, I dropped a lot of the 5 spice, so I had to just get rid of it. So now we've got a pint of water, the chicken, the carrots, the red, green and yellow pepper, 5 spice and the garlic. And now I'm going to add, I think it's 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Let me just have a look to check. Right, yeah, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2. So now that's everything in the pan, and all you need to do now is leave it to simmer for 20 minutes. Like I said to you, on the recipe it doesn't say to use oyster sauce, but last time I added it. I think I added this last time purely because I didn't feel it was getting very thick, and I always think oyster sauce does make things nice and thick. So I'm not going to add it just yet, I'm going to wait, but I will add just 1 teaspoonful, just so you know. So we've had red, green and yellow pepper, half of each, 1 onion, they have all been cooked really chunky. Then I've added a clove of garlic, a pint of water, 1 teaspoon of 5 spice. Put the water in, going to cover it leave to simmer for 20 minutes. So when it's done, I will show you, and also when it's nearly done, I'll obviously put the rice on so you can see the finished result as well. So I'm having rice with it. Okay? So I'll be back shortly. Okay peeps, so we're all ready. The dish is done absolutely beautiful, like I told you. So I'm just going to dish it up on the plate and then I'm going to show you the finished result. Like I said, I'm having it with rice. And that is the finished result of Chinese garlic chicken and rice. So like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing, and I'll try next time not to leave it so long before I do another video. But like I said, I'm really sorry, I've just been so busy. So thank you for watching it again, and if you like it, like and subscribe. Thank you.